Alright, good morning again. It is, if I can get my little after 10 o'clock in the morning. I think I've checked out most on this side. I do want to go over on the other side. There was a store I wanted to finish looking at. The one that I went with Roxanne the other day. Glass blowing shop. I'll check that out later when it's open. I'll go down here to the crosswalk. That'd be a good spot for a crosswalk signal. Houston Cat Sweets. I think that's where I checked last night. Leather goods. Let's see. I'm assuming this is food, drink. Let's see. Is that the one we checked out last night? I think so. That's just belts and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Jerky pecans chocolates. Not open yet, I don't think. Okay. Looks like just down here is parking. Might be some more down here, I'm not sure. Turn that around so I can get to it easier. See, I like to find when you think with a German town that you could buy German flags and stuff like that. And like that one right there in the middle. Or even the one at the end. But I have not seen any since we've been here. They're not open yet. Got more parking, got a church right there. I got River Bend. Walk down here. Let's see if there's anything else. Walk down here. Oh, cool! I got a water slide. Must be the zip line or something. Not really sure. Whew. Getting a little warm, but it's not too bad. Try and get some footage over here. Riverbend Hotel and Cabins. Come over here since they have a water slide there. Let's see. I got it from the Helen north side. Forecast have been saying rain all this time, but I think we've maybe had a few sprinkles, but that's about it. Danger of falling. Okay. That looks kind of abandoned. I can do this one myself. This water slide up here. Might be cool to go up there and check it out, but not this time. Someone's out there fishing. Don't know if they'll catch anything. Yeah, I'd say that's kind of closed. A little picnic area there. Yeah, I bet that was fun in this day. I don't know how far this goes up from here. So I will hop back across somehow here. Now, walk down here where I can yeah. Change hands there for a second. Yep. Kind of where the river is. It's Alabama. Alabama. Don't know, don't know. That truck is still sitting here. I'll go over here on this side. Florida. Hang on a minute. Okay. Then back. Got parking there. Church. I don't think there's much over here. I'm gonna go behind. Cut over here on this side. Yeah, I don't think I need my hat today. It's kind of overcast, which is good. There's another hotel type place up ahead. Might cut up. Go up here and cut up, I should say. There's Hampton back there, done in the German style. I'll walk down there and show you. Whew. Got a new sweatshirt. That's Helen, Georgia. Got a hood too. Get across before this truck comes. Okay. I'm going to show you here. Then I'll turn around. Instead of the regular colors, it's got the German. That's the fire department. There you go. I don't have my little remote thing with me so I could zoom in, but that's what it looks like. I'll walk up this street here. I'm not sure which street. Let's see. That's Unicoi Street. Going that direction. Looks like it got some more shops down that way. Maybe. I don't know. This is Fuller's visitor parking for 10. Okay. Cash only. Trying to walk off breakfast. I had 2 of them. I'll walk. Ah, it's hoppers up here. Okay. Yeah. Go across to Hoffers. I think there's a little gift store inside. Yeah, fudge and all that type of stuff. My shoe will stay tied. Here's the famous Hoffers. I'll show you mine. Hang on.